The motor effect and the generator effect. They sound basically the same, but actually they do opposite things. Now, if you need more help than just this video, don't forget that we are running intense Easter revision courses this year. You can get 4 hours of free GCSE physics revision with me. You just need to click the link in the bio to claim your place. So, the motor effect is using electricity to produce a force. So we're using electricity to produce a force. Now, we know that when we run current through a wire, we get a magnetic field around it. Now, if we put this wire with its magnetic field into a permanent magnetic field, the two magnetic fields interact, just like we know that two normal magnets would. If we put them close to each other, they'll attract or repel or do something. Exactly the same thing is going to happen here between the wire and a permanent magnetic field. We get a force on this wire, and that's all the motor effect is. Now, if you're doing higher tier, you'll learn that we can work out the direction of the force on this wire using Fleming's left-hand rule. You'll also know that we can find the size of the force on this wire using F is equal to B I L. But all the motor effect is it's just the interaction between two magnetic fields. Right, generator effect, let's flip it. So this time with the generator effect, we are using force to produce electricity. So when we move just a normal wire through a magnetic field, something weird happens to the electrons in that wire. They're all going to move to one end of the wire. So I'll wind up with a negative end of my wire and a positive end of my wire. And as you guys all know, if I've got a negative at one end and a positive at the other, I've induced a potential difference. If I then connect that wire to a complete circuit, current will flow. Now, the trick here is the phrase the examiners want to hear in your GCSE is that the wire cuts through the magnetic field lines, okay? Because this wire has got to be moving to induce a potential difference. And there you go. Motor effect, generator effect. Very similar, they are just the opposite of each other. So make sure you save this video for the night before your exams when you're desperately trying to remember the difference between the motor effect and the generator effect. And don't forget to follow this channel for more content just like this. I'll see you soon.